The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for central Los Angeles County until 6:40 p.m. At 5:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm that could potentially produce a large tornado near Topanga State Park, moving east at a speed of 25 miles per hour. Locations in the current projected path of this storm include, but are not limited to, Encino, Sherman Oaks, Studio City, Van Nuys, North Hollywood, Burbank, Glendale, Pasadena. Take immediate shelter. Go to a basement or bathroom and stay away from windows. If outside or in a mobile home, go to the nearest substantial structure to protect yourself. Repeating, a tornado warning is in effect until 6:40 p.m. for the following counties in California: Los Angeles,